Hello everyone, today I'm making tuna and onion soy sauce garlic pasta. The ingredients are pasta and onions, garlic, tuna, and chopped green onion soy sauce. Well, let's boil the pasta first. Add a little salt. Put the pasta. This pasta is boiled for 7 minutes, so stop boiling in 5.5 to 6 minutes. Let's cook the ingredients while boiling the pasta. First, spread a thin layer of oil. Fry the garlic. Next, onions. Fry over high heat. Add the boiled pasta soup. Let's put the tuna now. Then add soy sauce. Add a spoonful. Put the boiled pasta here. Add the green onions at the end and it's done. Let's put it on a plate. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe to the channel.